Very good morning to all of you. Today's topic is salt. First question is how salts are formed. Salts are formed by neutralization reaction in which acid and base combine to form water and salt. Salt are ionic compound consist of cation and anion. Now, from where cation came and anion comes? From acid, H ion release and anion formed. From base, OH ion released and cation formed. It means H ion from acid, OH ion from base combine to form water. From acid, anion, from base, cation combine to form salt. For example, NaCl is salt, Na comes from base and Cl come from acid. In Na2SO4, in sodium sulfate, sodium comes from base and sulfate comes from acid. From sodium nitrate, sodiums come from base and nitrate comes from acid. So, in salt, anion comes from acid and cation comes from base, and salt consists of cation and anion. Now, on the basis of pH value, salts are of four types. Salts of strong acid and strong base, in which acid is also strong and base is also strong. Acid and base both are strong. So, for example, sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium nitrate, potassium chloride, potassium sulfate and potassium nitrate. When you dissolve sodium chloride in water, it gives you sodium hydroxide, that is a strong base, and hydrochloric acid, that is a strong acid. When we reverse, this reaction is known as hydrolysis of salt. Here strong base and strong acid produce which neutralize each other. When we combine strong base and strong acid, then they again form salt and water. The solution pH is equal to 7 because both acid and base neutralize each other. Now, next example, next kind of salt is salt of strong acid and weak base. For example, ammonium chloride. Chloride comes from hydrochloric acid. Ammonia comes from ammonium hydroxide, which is a weak base. Copper sulfate. Copper comes from copper hydroxide, which is a weak base, and sulfate comes from sulfuric acid. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium comes from aluminium hydroxide and chloride comes from a hydrochloric acid. So when these salt dissolved in water, they produce strong acid and weak base. Strong acid completely neutralize the weak base, but its H ion remain in the solution. When solution contain more H ion, then pH will be less than that of 7. So pH of solution is less than 7. So when we mix strong acid and weak base, then we get salt, which on hydrolysis further gives strong acid and weak base. So due to presence of strong acid, its pH is less than 7. Now, next kind is salt of weak acid and strong base. For example, sodium carbonate. Sodium comes from, this is cation, this is anion. Cation come from base and anion come from acid. This comes from strong base and this come from weak acid. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium comes from strong base and bicarbonate ion comes from weak acid. Sodium acetate, sodium comes from strong base and acetic acid is a weak acid. So when you dissolve this salt of weak acid and strong base in water, it on hydrolysis gives weak acid and strong base. Due to presence of strong base, its pH is more than that of 7. That's why their solution is basic in nature. Now, last type is salt of weak acid and weak base. As its name suggested, this is the salt of weak acid and weak base. This anion comes from weak acid. This cation come from weak base. When they hydrolyze, when they dissolve in water, this process is known as hydrolysis. Then they produce weak acid and weak base. Weak acid and weak base both neutralize each other. That's why its solution pH is nearly 7. So from this video, I hope all of you able to understand that what is the nature of salt. Whether it is strong, whether it is neutral, whether it is acidic or basic. So salts are neutral only when they are formed by strong acid, strong base and weak acid, weak base. But when they are formed by strong acid and weak base, then their nature is acidic. When they are formed by weak acid and strong base, then their nature is basic. I hope all of you understand this topic. Thank you.